Through 20 years of innovation and experience working with the leading window covering professionals, Ultratab has developed solutions to support roller shade manufacturers around the world. Our extensive line of cutting units use a variety of cutting methods, allowing our customers to fabricate a wide variety of roller shade fabrics. By implementing automated cutting tools, fabricators are able to meet the demands of all levels of shade manufacturing. Ultratab's line of welding machines is engineered for maximum performance and has a proven record of success. This diversified product line includes equipment ranging from semi-automatic units to heavy-duty machines equipped to support large commercial and residential projects. Our engineers select the highest grade parts to offer seamless production operations for maximum efficiency. With the increased demand for automation in our industry, we understand how critical it is to get each window covering product made right. By using Ultratab inspection solutions, your final product will not only meet, but exceed customer satisfaction. As an Ultratab partner, Symbessa ensures its customers receive the proper installation, training, and after-sales support required for optimal performance. Our commitment to our customer success drives us to provide consistent and reliable solutions, minimizing downtime and increasing productivity.